What's up, everybody? It's the Common Sense Investor coming at you with another video. And in this video, we're going to talk about the comments that you're leaving in the comment sections of the videos where y'all have some questions or you made certain comments. And let me begin with this really negative piece of crap person, Boston XT7JJ. All right, it sucks to be this old chasing money while the reaper is at your door. CSI, horrible life you got. Still trying to get rich with 10 years left in the tank. Can you believe the audacity of somebody to leave a message like that on my message board here in my comments? And my response was very simple. What kind of a bitch ass comment is that? Do you realize I know I got less than 10 years to go? Probably a whole lot less. And yes, I will fight for my financial freedom to the day I die. At least when I die, I know I've helped people. While a miserable person may have money, apparently happiness and kindness is absent from your heart. Golly, to say you know you fixing to die, what's the use of you even trying? Get the hell out of here. What a comment. All right, let's get on to some positive ones. Another viewer asked, how much money do you pay per trade on these small trades? Do you add those numbers on your result sheets as well? They automatically come out. There's no commission fee. They have what's called a swap fee, and every now and then they'll charge you 13 cents for a fee for using the platform. But like regular fees for every trade, no, they don't have those. Or at least I don't get charged them. Next comment is, does the Galileo FX bot work with regular stock market? And the answer is yes. And I've already done a video on that. You can see it right there. And it shows you that the stocks that you can pick are limited, but you can do it, yes. And David Smith's comment on the trend line indicator says, quick tip, your margin level percent is too low. And I'm glad that David left this comment because he was right. We have gotten hammered, people, and I'm going to show you over here on the MetaTrader 4. It appears as if every time Galileo bought this week, it ran the opposite of, it just bought this one and it ran up instead of down. It bought this one and ran up instead of down. All right, and then it turned around and it bought this one. But what has happened is the bot was left on and it went from trade to trade to trade. And what happened is it dropped my free margin like it is right now. The danger of what's happening is going on right now. Galileo, as I said, bought here and it's supposed to have sold short and instead it ran long. This one was supposed to run short. Instead it ran long. And this was supposed to go long and instead it went short. And then it's lowered my margin to the point of where I only have $14.93 left in free margin. And then when it hits zero, it's going to sell off one of these losing assets to cover the margin. Then what's going to happen? The bot will buy another currency and it will continue the process until you're completely wiped out. At least if I continue to let Galileo run, this account will go to zero. So one way that you can fix that is turn your bot off. Once it makes a purchase, turn your bot off. Wait until that trade is finished. Don't let it drain your free margin like it done me. So see, like I said in the beginning of this video, see that bitch ass dude that made that comment? You can learn and save money by not doing the mistakes that I make. Yes, I want to be rich. Yes, I want to make a lot of money. But I have to learn along the ways, and perhaps that I make, like leaving this bot trading on its own and all of my free margin, is going to kill my account. So I warn you not to do it. Take position in 2 positions and shut the bots off once they're there. Now, I'm going to give you the truth. I really don't think Galileo's worth the money. All right, it's just this week running on its own with prime optimization. It has ate our lunch, mostly because it's set to only buy one time of one currency, but it keeps buying one kind of each currency and running out the margin. So the only way to stop that, people, is once you get into two positions, you have to turn your bot off. But as for me, I think I'm through using the Galileo FX trading bot because it's not working as advertised. And there's no such thing as optimized settings. Them optimized settings that you can buy, people, those are trends that were set a year, 2 years ago. So they're not going to work today. It's Galileo, honestly, I don't think it's worth the money. But we're going to let it finish playing itself out. Maybe going to turn it off and not use it anymore, because look at this shit. It's hitting new lows again. And it was supposed to go long. And I know the reason for that, all right? And I'll share with y'all in another video a couple of reasons why Galileo is really a bad pick. Love y'all. Be blessed. And I'll see you in the next video.